did it last year.
It's okay. She's not afraid of any of you. She's got
Okay, I'm here. So I go out to feed my pool. And this is your pen. No, wait, that's fine. Okay. So I walk to my barn over here, and as soon as they see me, they freaking go nuts. Yes, like that. Shut up! Stretch their feet or stretch. Sumo. Train. This is roll-ups. And then I go nuts. Yes! Okay! Water! Go nuts! Okay.
His throat hurts.
Shut up! And my bear, oh, he's fat. And I have to give him like this much food. And he gets so mad. Oh, yeah! Yeah! Okay, so I'm like, whoa, stay there. But he doesn't. He tries to like break into the fence. Ah! No, he doesn't get out of the fence. He stays in the fence. I'm kind of scared. You can go really high. Anyway, so I get water, and there's 2 in one pen and 5 in the other. Get them all sorted out, and I have to reach my hand in there. Mix up all the nasty food, water. Oh, wow. Okay. And then, this is the horrible part. Okay, I pick up one, and I go to one end, and they all follow me, and then and I'm like, oh, crap. Oh, shoot. Exactly, and I can't put it down. I'm like, no. Like that kind of. And then I'm like, okay, and I run, and I put it over here, and they're all biting my legs, and I'm like, no! And then I have to get another one, and I have to jump in there. Okay, yeah. And I have to get another one. And then I have to get the boards out. And I'm like, no, wait, fight! And by then, I'm like, drenched in sweat. And the horse is swallowed right there in the heel. I don't know why, because I'm perfectly normal. Your pictures are so I'll do my room myself.
In a tree, I think.
Okay, pretend like you're an intruder, and this is my fence.
A what? You're a what?
Get it!
Oh, an intruder. Look at He's gonna go get her.
Good boy, bro.
Scary, wasn't it?
Go, 8. I'm a killer. What else? Horse. Oh.
Obviously, it's a pig.
Horse.
He's a lot higher than